Hello there, beautiful people. Today we have a surprise unboxing.
Is that even visible?
It's a tiny little box. I have no idea what's inside.
This is the SLR Magic 8mm f4 micro four thirds mount for our Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K that we like to use on some of our productions around here at Rogue Slate Films.
Also, you should know that this box is really lightweight
Compared to my hand,
and tiny, so God knows how it's gonna shoot.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You're excited for this? It's a tiny box and it weighs absolutely nothing, so we have some paperwork. What does the paperwork say?
To avoid flare, you should use the provided 4352 ring. What does that even mean?
Focus can be manually adjusted. Okay, great. Ooh, and here's something exciting now. Ta-da.
It's so tiny.
We have some silica gel.
What are we supposed to do with silica gel?
We have this funny little guy here.
It's so tiny. Don't keep it like that, it looks flimsy.
And we have, what's this? A tiny screw.
Why are you showing the screw like that? What are we supposed to do with the screw? It's tiny.
So here's the lens itself. We'll put some close-ups of it, but it's a nice little manual lens. It's 60mm equivalent on our mount on micro four thirds on the camera, so nice and wide.
So hope you enjoyed our unboxing of this beautiful little tiny piece of lens.
Piece of lens?
It's so tiny. Alright,
catch you on the next one, guys.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, like, share and subscribe to everybody, including your grandma. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Make sure you tell your grandma to subscribe and share it to her as well.
And we're signing off from Rogue Slate Films.
Bye.
Toodles.